Good morning, Ben and Sal. Good morning to you too. If you're just stepping out and you live in the east of the country, it's a chilly start. It's a bit milder out towards the west, but for most of us today, it's fairly cloudy to start the day with some rain already coming in. And this week, rain is going to be a feature of the weather. It's often going to be windy as well, and we'll see some significant snowfall on the Scottish hills, particularly so as we go through tonight.
Morning to you. It's been pretty chilly overnight, especially across the east. That's because we had clearer skies earlier on. Now, the temperatures are starting to lift a little bit, but certainly it is a colder start.
And Carol, we might need a brolly today, is that right?
Absolutely right, Ben. We've got all kinds of weather coming our way, not just today, but as we go through the rest of the week. But today, it's going to be cloudy and wet for most of us, and it's going to feel chillier than it did do yesterday. Now, as we head through the evening and into the overnight period, this is the weather front which is moving northwards, taking its rain. As it engages overnight with the colder air across Scotland, we'll start to see some significant snowfall. Above about 300 metres. On the hills, we could have 10 to 20 centimetres of snow. So that could be disruptive, especially in the higher routes. And we're also going to see quite a lot of rain as well.
And Carol, it was a beautiful day in parts of the country yesterday.
It was, Sal. It was quite warm for some as well, but you'll notice the difference today. It's going to feel much cooler than it did yesterday. Good morning. In fact, for the rest of this week, the weather remains changeable. Good morning, everybody. This morning, it is a cloudy start to the day and a wet one for most of us as well. Now, this is the rainfall accumulation chart. Look at all the dark blues on the chart, and then up pops the light greens. Here's the key here. The light greens are in excess of 80 millimetres of rainfall, so something to bear in mind. It is fairly cloudy, and as we saw there in Cardiff, it's also a wet start to the day for many parts of the country, feeling chillier than it did yesterday too. And then as we move on into Wednesday, these are the kind of values that you can expect. What's happening on Wednesday is we've got a new area of low pressure coming our way, and that is going to be bringing in some more rain, some showers, and you can see from the isobars on Friday, it's also going to be breezy. So as we head towards the Easter weekend for Good Friday and into Saturday and Easter Sunday, the weather still remains unsettled. We'll be looking at some rain or showers at times. We do not expect it to be a washout. And the other thing you'll notice is temperatures are slowly going to start to come up a bit. So we're looking at 11 to 16 by the time we get to Easter Sunday itself. Ben and Sal.